channel. Today, me and my daughter,
Tania,
will be showing you all, Wee's Nation, how to bake some cookies. Yes, I'm going to show you all how Tania bakes some cookies. Because this is what she's going to be doing. She's going to be baking, and I'm going to be showing her how to mix up everything. So I want y'all to come on along as we go through this together. Okay, we're back. All right, this is the cookie Tania will be making. Okay, she already has the oven
preheated to 375.
Okay. And she also have
Melted butter. And then
how much butter you put in it?
3 teaspoons.
Okay.
And then we have an egg.
Okay. So here go your pack. Ooh,
How much do I have to put in there?
Put it all in there. Bake cookies. For her little cookies. Look at, see how I look in the inside? You can see the glare of the lights.
That's what it looks like inside.
Woo. Very tasty.
Oh wait, should I put the butter in first or should I put the egg? I think I should put the egg.
Okay, so she's gonna crack the egg first. All right. Put it inside this bag.
And then I'm gonna put the butter in the thing.
She's gonna put the butter in the mix. She's in the thing. All right. And then now, oh, you don't have your spoon with you?
No.
Okay, so here's her spoon. So you start to mix all that up. Don't be scared. Get into it. Mix it up. And then mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
It's hard to mix. Do I need to put some water?
Just like that. Mix it and mix it.
It's starting to form, guys.
Yeah.
It
It
smells
smells
good.
good. Woo!
It's starting.
Yeah. All on the side. All the sidings. Mm-hmm. She's doing a good job to say this is her first time.
That ain't my first time. This is my third time because I remember making this when I was little.
A little, I don't recall.
Yeah. I think this is done. Almost.
No, you gotta get all the cookies off the side. All up the siding. Make sure it's nice and mixed up together. All the eggs and the butter.
Ooh.
Yeah. What am I mixing up like that? Fufu?
I haven't something, but I did.
That's what it looked like. So you got to get it all in there.
I don't have too much strength to be mixing like this. I don't got them type of arms. I think I'm doing good.
Yeah, you're doing perfect.
But
Then it's starting to form, see?
Still like
It's starting to form. Yeah, mix it all up in there.
I think this is done.
Let me see. Let me mix it up a little bit.
My hands are hurting, guys.
So I have to take off because she said her hands. So I got to make sure everything is mixed out because we don't want to taste nothing inside the cookie. And this does smells good. Oh my goodness. So.
Got a little stuff, the egg from my hands.
This I having a little family time. Showing her how to bake, really. So yeah. See, this is how it's supposed to be. Look at that.
I ain't gonna see that.
Oh, y'all didn't see? Look at that. to take, what you do next?
Okay, so now I'm going to take random pieces and start boiling it like.
She has a pan ready.
So,
yeah, take a spoon. You take the spoon. You don't do that. That's her own style. Her own style she want to do. Okay.
So I got my little thing. And then,
little thing? No,
so
man.
I got my little cookies and I'm about to start making it turn into a bowl.
It's supposed to be in a ball?
Yeah.
It's supposed to?
Do we have, want me to make it a shape?
It's supposed to be in a ball.
Yeah.
Okay. If she says so, we're going to see how it turn out. This is her creation.
It's not working. Okay.
And how far apart do you have to put it? Put the cookies. How far apart?
6 feet. I was playing.
What did she say? Okay, it says 2 inches apart.
Yeah, it's 2 inches.
2 inches apart. She has to put it. And she bake it on 375 and for 8 to 10 minutes or till the edge is set. And then let the cookie cool for about 2 minutes before moving it for the cookie sheet. So yeah, this is her little balls. Can y'all see the balls?
So basically, I'm planning on one cookie to be a giant.
So I guess that's gonna be hers 2 inches apart. Remember?
Oh man. It's not coming off of the spoon, guys. It's giving me hard times.
Yeah.
Hard times. This is a little cookie.
So
more.
So Wee's Nation, she's doing a very good job. Don't be some giant, because Mama that's gonna spray it, so you should bring it up a little bit. Can't bring it over, because you're making it big. So yeah, and bring this one down, because Mama is gonna spray it open. Okay. Once it's spread, you don't want it.
So we're gonna make 2 big cookies at the bottom. The 2 big cookies are gonna be mine because, yeah.
Ooh, that's gonna be a big old one. Y'all see? Look at that ball. That's a big ball. Okay. So how much we gonna put on the plate? 1 on the
6.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. She's gonna put 6 on the cookie sheet. Okay. So now she's about to take it. It's cooked. 6. We're cooking 6. So now she's about to take it over to the oven and place it in the oven. And after they're done, we're gonna be back with y'all. Here's the cookies. It's coming along. All right, Tania done take the cookie out of the oven. This is what it looked like. So what you have to say, Tania?
So I honestly think that I did good on them cookies. I'm not gonna lie. I think I did it better than way back before. So I think I did good.
All right, the cookie is done. So, what you about to do now, Tania?
I'm about to definitely.
You got some. Oh, this cookie looks so delicious. I showed y'all earlier how it looked, but now she's about to do something.
I'm about to decorate my
Yes.
So I'm gonna start with the big ones because they're mine. So I have this cute little cookie. I'm going to decorate it. So I'm using green icing. Oh, why I flipped it like that? I'm using green icing. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Green frosting icing. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to make a design, see if this works.
Should do like a smiley face.
Well, so y'all, I can do it. It's not like the icing that's like already thing that has a design. So I'm just putting like some icing. And yeah.
So what you got? This is cookie with some icing on it. Not a particular design, but
I'm gonna be back.
oh, she's gonna get something to help her make a design. So okay. So yeah, the cookies. I can't wait to taste it.
Okay, I got
A butter knife?
I got a knife, a butter
Okay.
knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
She's spreading it.
try to make something work here, guys.
She's trying to be perfect. That's okay. That's okay though.
Okay, so basically, I am finished with my first little cute little cookie. This is what it looks like. I can't do it because I'm afraid it's gonna fall. So this is, oh,
The lighting. Y'all see it?
this is what it looks like.
All right.
And
Okay.
then I'm going to get my other big cookie.
Let's do one at a time. Let's do the tasting. Let's taste it.
You're right.
Start decorating.
I'm gonna take it.
Can I try? Would you?
No.
Does she tell me no? Thumbnail. Okay. Well, since I can't try hers, maybe I can decorate using her plate and get my own little one. My own one. That size there. And do me a little decoration. Okay. I'm gonna do a little eye. One eye. Ooh. 2 eyes. How about a nose? And a smiley face. A smile. How? How do that look? Look what I've done. Mine's called a smiley face. So, let me taste it. Let me taste. Nice and chewy. Good job, Tania.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to end our video. Say, she's making a sandwich. What saying? Thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more of us together. Mama and daughter making some more delicious desserts for y'all. Comment. Make that comment.
It's melting.
Ooh. Push that notification bell so you can see the next upcoming videos that Mama Weesie have on her channel. Check those out. And what we gotta say, Tania? We're out.